Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we will see how to extend RAM on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. So the first step is to open the settings app. From here, search RAM, tap on RAM. And from here, as you can see, our device has 8 gigs of RAM. And if you want to increase the RAM on your device, just go back. And from here, just search memory. Tap on memory extension, and from here you can extend the memory with 4, 6 or 8 gigabytes. It will use the storage on your device to extend the RAM on your device. Just select how much RAM you want to increase. I will select 4 gigabytes. Tap on reboot and it will reboot your device. After rebooting the device, the RAM will increase. Just like that. Now, go to the settings app and search RAM. Now tap on RAM. Now, as you can see, we have successfully added 4 gigabytes of extra RAM to our device. Now, as you can see, it is showing 8 plus 4 gigabytes of RAM, which means we have successfully extended the RAM on our device. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.